Hello, friend. It is time for another research video. And this one hits close to home because if you know me, I love picking up tumblers. When I say tumblers, I mean like Tervis tumblers. And most of them are not worth very much money. However, I started picking them up because I sold a set for like $65. And there are some tumblers that are worth money. So in this video, you're going to see clear glass. You're going to see a Tervis. You're going to see Starbucks. You're going to see which tumblers are worth hundreds of dollars. So I don't have to stop picking them up. I just have to be a little more picky. And I hope this video helps you find some of these higher dollar tumblers. You know, it's one of my favorites, so I'm super excited to show these to you. There are a lot of Starbucks in here. So what is hot with Starbucks changes, and I'm going to show you a couple of Stanley. I will tell you they dominate the high dollar tumbler. Stanley is the new Yeti. It is what it's all about. If you find any Stanley, I'll skip to the end of the video and just tell you now, pick up Stanley. But if you want to know some of those clear tumblers that you might be overlooking in the clear glass, like I do all the time, because there's always a sea of it at every thrift store, right? If you want to know which ones are worth picking up, we're going to take a look at the top 20 selling tumblers right now. All right. If you are like me and your eyes cross when you see all of the clear glass at the thrift store, I want to show you a few of these that you can keep an eye out for. So this is a set of 6. So some of these will be sets, some will be individual. This is a set of 6 Ralph Lauren Glen Plaid lead crystal glass highball tumblers. These sold for $219. Most thrift stores that I go to, the clear glasses are like 50 cents to $1. So here on the bottom, you would easily be able to identify these. You see that RLL for Ralph Lauren. Ralph Lauren. Here you can see the measurements. You can see this pattern. Remember this in case you find these. Excellent, excellent sale on 6 tumblers. Next is some more clear glass. I really wanted to give you at least a few clear glass items to keep an eye out for. These are Christofle Cluny double old-fashioned glasses. They are 2 rock glass tumblers from France. I have sold some midpoint tumblers like rocks glasses. So these 2 sold for $223. So here you can see it's almost like thumbprints on the side. They are crystal. These have the Christofle stickers still on them, which you might not get at the thrift store, unfortunately. But remember this pattern. So look at those clear glasses and for stuff like this that sticks out. And I do want to show you here on the very bottom, Christofle is etched into the bottom of these glasses. So if you see a fancy clear glass, tip it over and see if something is etched into it. This is a great sale. 2 glasses, $223. Clear glass, my friends. This is a set of 6 Crate and Barrel hand blown. These are more lowball rocks glasses, so definitely keep your eye on those rocks glasses. These are koi goldfish. This set of 6 sold for $224. So we'll take a look here at these. You can see the glass fish in there. Really, really neat. There are 3 blue and 3 orange. Here is the bottom. So these, I'm not sure if they are marked, but hopefully if you see some glasses with fishies in them, you would know they are something special, and a great sale at $224. All right, some more glasses. These are Baccarat Harmony Happy Hours tumbler. Set of 2 sold for $230. The seller does still have a set of 2. I check the prices. If I have 4 and I think I'll get more money selling them in 2s, I will do that. And in this case, it definitely would be worth it. So 2 sold for $230. Now, here again, the bottom of them are marked. They do clearly say Baccarat. So flip those fancy glasses over if you see them. These are crystal. They should stand out to you. I personally am going to have to start trying to look a little more at the glasses, the clear ones, for fancy ones just like these. Up next, if you do not know this name, please learn it. This is Georges Briard. This is an Art Deco Platinum set of 8 double, again, old-fashioned glasses. These sold for a best offer on $250. I hope these would stand out to you. These are very, very fancy. And you can see here, these are signed Georges Briard. That is what you need to look for. His glasses are worth money, my friends. Watch for Georges Briard and check those fancy tumbler glasses. All right, my friends, time to get into some Starbucks cups. There are still Starbucks cups that are worth hundreds of dollars, and I will show you a few of them on this video. This is a Starbucks Tiffany & Co. collection. So we know Tiffany & Co. is high dollar, and when you put it on anything, it makes it valuable. This tumbler sold for $275. Here you can see that classic Tiffany blue, the Starbucks mermaid. They do have a Tiffany & Co. bag with it. Beautiful, beautiful tumbler. If you think there aren't Starbucks still worth money, I will tell you, you are wrong. Just to drive that point home a little bit more, here is another Starbucks. This is a Philippines exclusive from 2024. So this is a new one, recently released, but look at that amazing cobalt blue. So I don't know that you would find this unless you're on vacation in the Philippines, but this one sold for $275. They do have that original box. These cups are normally $20 to $30. So this one is an amazing, amazing sale. Watch for the diamond studded. That is something that comes up quite a bit though in the higher dollar Starbucks. Next is another Starbucks. This one is a 2015 Cherry Blossom Sakura Day tumbler. This is a 12 ounce. This is a small little Starbucks cup, and it sold for a best offer on $289. Check the Starbucks cups. I look up all the patterns that I find. This one doesn't look overly fancy, so you need to check them. Check them. Amazing, amazing sale, almost $300. All right, my friends, this is some Waterford Heritage Connoisseur Lismore rounded tumblers, a set of 6. They are still in the box, but you might find Waterford at the thrift store. This was an auction, got 13 bids, and they sold for $280. So some more clear glasses, guys. Look at these. Look for crystal in that clear glass. This is an amazing sale. They did get 13 bids. And it looks like there were 9 different bidders on these. So they definitely had interest. It was a 5-day auction, and they were started at $99. So from $99 up to close to $300 on this set of 6 Waterford glasses. Look what I found. I found some Tervis tumbler cups that sold for $325. There are valuable Tervis. They have to be rare. The ones that I sold for high dollar were fly fishing lures. So these are from the Augusta National and Cypress Point Golf. Check the Tervis. Check them. These are new and excellent condition. I guarantee these would still sell high even if they were used. Make sure you are looking up the Tervis if you see them. More clear glass to watch for. This is a set of 10 Simon Pierce hand-blown signed 5.5-inch Ascutney highball tumblers. They sold for $349. Personally, I probably would have broke this into 4, 4, and 2 because I don't want to ship 10 glasses, but that's still $35 a glass. So look at these beautiful, beautiful glasses. And I don't know where they're signed. It says they're signed. It's probably here somewhere. I don't know. It's hard to see though. But watch for fancy smancy glasses. You might make a lot of money. If I have not convinced you to look at the clear glass like I've convinced myself when doing this video, I hope this does it. These are Baccarat Everyday Classic Tumblers, a set of 6, sold for $400. They do still have one set left, so they are showing them here in the book. There's a Stella down there in the sky with diamonds. And again, these are marked, guys. Baccarat France on the bottom. If you see fancy crystal glasses at the thrift store, please flip them over and see if they are marked. More Starbucks. This is a hard to find rare 2018 Starbucks double wall glitter glass tumbler, no straw. This does not look overly impressive, but it sold for $450. Make sure you check the Starbucks. I know I sound redundant, but I hate to think that you might be leaving these behind. So here you can see that Starbucks sticker as well as Starbucks on the lid. An amazing, amazing sale at $450. Somebody bought or got lucky and found a ton of these because there are 20 available. One sold for $500. How crazy is that? This is a Starbucks tumbler from 2009, white and green snowflakes, $500. How crazy is that? It is new. Somebody must have found a case of them somewhere. Absolutely insane. Here you can see on the bottom, they were originally $13. How crazy is that? Again, look up the Starbucks patterns. I know I'm being redundant, but please check them. With this Starbucks cup, we are up to our top 4. This is a rare Starbucks New York City graffiti tumbler. Again, no straw, sold for a best offer on $500. Graffiti New York. None of these have been overly impressive. They're showing there's a little dent there on the lid. You do want to show any flaws. This was an excellent sale. Best offer on $500. We have got some more Tiffany & Co., but these are not in conjunction with Starbucks. This is a new in the box pair of Tiffany Georgette tumbler glasses. Again, these look plain, but flip them over. They are marked. 2 sold for $499. There is that Tiffany & Co. etched on the bottom. Look at those clear glasses. I know that I will be from now on. I think we might all be missing a lot. 2 stopped selling, and there were hundreds of Stanley cups. If you have not heard, Stanley is like the new craze. My daughter actually bought one of these. I don't want to know what she paid for it. This says it's the OG Stanley flannel. This one sold for $550. There are tons of Stanley that sell for hundreds of dollars. If you get lucky enough to find a Stanley cup, please pick it up. Here you can see the Stanley on the bottom. It's a red plain cup and sold for $550. Our top selling tumblers is a set of 8 McKenzie-Childs heirloom tumblers. They are floral courtly stripe pattern. The set of 8 sold for $650. I am sure these would catch my eye, and I hope they would catch yours as well. Close to $100 a glass. How insane is that? Here you can see the sticker on the bottom that says Victoria and Richard McKenzie-Childs. Watch for those stripes as well as checkerboard. That is classic McKenzie-Childs. All right, are you as surprised as I was? If you have not been looking at the clear glasses. I have to say I'm definitely guilty of not looking at the clear glasses because they just like make my head spin. I'm going to start though, and maybe I can see some fancy crystal glasses. If you have any tips for all of us to pick those crystal glasses out of the sea of clear glass at every single thrift store, please let us know down in the comments. I really, really appreciate you watching. I hope this has been helpful. I know I learned a ton, and hopefully I will find some of these really expensive clear glasses, and you will too. And I will see you on the next one.